Hello students, good afternoon. I welcome you to my YouTube channel SB Platform. Today's video deals with the difference between the words sign and signature. Both the words are familiar to all of you, but there are some students who have still doubt in their mind. But I hope that after watching the video, there will not be any doubt in the mind of those students who have the confusion in the use of both the words. So without any delay, let's start with the video. And before starting the video, I would like to inform you that if you are the new viewer, then like, share and subscribe the channel to get the more video related to you. Okay, I know that you all know the meaning of sign and signature, so it is not required to tell you the meaning of sign and signature. Just I will tell you the uses of sign and signature. Sign is always used as a verb and signature is always used as a noun, but in some other cases sign is also used as a noun. So it will be more clear when I will show you the uses of sign and signature in some examples. So let's move to the examples. Okay, we move to the first example. First example is that please put your signature on the letter. This is the correct sentence because in this sentence there is a main verb, it is put, and signature has been used as a noun, so it's a correct sentence. But we cannot write it like please put your sign on the letter. It will be wrong because sign is a verb and in this sentence there is a verb already in the sentence like put, so we cannot write two main verb in a single sentence. It will be wrong. So if we write like this, please put your sign on the letter, then it will be wrong. And the one more thing is that the word sign does not take any preposition with it, so we cannot write also please put your sign on the paper because on is a preposition. But we can write it like please sign the letter, but we cannot write it like please sign on the letter because on a preposition and sign does not take any preposition with it. Okay, I will move to the next example to make your conception more clear regarding the use of both the words. Okay, before I begin with the examples, I just want to remind you one more thing is that the word signature take two prepositions. One is on and next is off. So I will show you in the examples. Okay, next example is that I can sign the signature of my father. The meaning of the sentence is that the signature of my father is well known to me. That means I can sign the signature of my father. So in this sentence I have used both the words sign and signature. Signed has been used as a verb and signature has been used as a noun. And in this sentence also I have used the preposition of with the word signature. Okay, I hope that the conception regarding the use of both the words sign and signature has been cleared. Okay, now I will show some more examples of the use of the word sign as a noun. When we will use sign as a noun, then its meaning will indicate us like some symbols. For example, there is no sign of fear on his face. So in this sentence, sign has been used as a noun and it indicates the sign of fear. So I hope the conception of sign is clear now. Okay students, that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.